column. This is my graded column. Therefore, in a trial balance, we need one column for description or account title, another for debit, and another for credit. So these are the necessary column for this financial statement. Okay. Next, prepaid insurance. Debit. So we have prepaid insurance. The balance is 1,500, so write it down there. 1,500. Right? Now, the digit going to be trial balance. Then, next, land. How much? 30,000. Debit. Right? Land. Write it down. Land, then write down the value 30,000. Right? You can notice all of these are on the debit balance. And actually, if you can recall, these are all assets of the company. Assets meaning property of the company. That is what we mean by that. Right? What do we mean by liabilities? Liabilities are those claimed by other people from the assets of the company. Right? And what do we mean by shares and capital? These are the claims of the owners from the assets of the company. Right? So, very simple. Like that, no? And if you can recall, what are the definitions of debit and credit? Debit is left side, credit right side. That is the only definition of debit and credit. Right? Next, therefore, accounts payable. Now we now have what? Credit balance. Account payable. How much is the balance? 900. Take note of the simple peso. 900. Take note. We do not need to write down peso on this other money amount. However, since the account payable is on the credit column and it is the first account on that column, we need to put up the peso sign. Okay? That is the only thing why we need peso sign in the credit column. Right? Next is unearned services. Balance 3,000. Unearned services 3,000. Okay? So therefore, when trying to use peso sign, leave sufficient space. Do not make this mistake. Okay? This is a mistake. Peso sign. And then you have, for example, 3 million here. Right? Your peso is now not on the proper place of the 3 million. Okay? So, meaning to say, if you are going to write this down, try to have the peso sign right here. Okay? So that the peso sign will cover the next amount. Okay? That is very important. Very important. If not, that will earn you another minus. Okay? Okay? So therefore, this must be written like that. And sometimes, accountants use pencil. Pencil here. Then finally, we will use the ink later on. Okay? Because we cannot use eraser. Eraser and white out here. We cannot use. So, next, shares, and then shares ordinary. Okay? Shares ordinary. How much 50,000. This is inter credit, no? 50,000. 50,000. So if you think it is not yet on the right, the right place, so you can adjust. However, you cannot adjust if you already using on your figure, right? Next, dividends. 1,400. Dividend. Take a look. Very important for journal. The number one important, as you can now observe, we now have 1, 2, 3 legal documents. Most important is the date. The date. We do not have the date. Right? We do not have the date. So we are now summarizing all the amount. This is now the important thing. Okay? Dividends, 1,400. Oh, this is limit. So try to locate the proper place of comma. Okay? The place of comma must be on the same time. But in your, let me have your sample columnar. In your columnar, you don't need to write comma. Right? You don't need to write comma in your columnar. Right? So because the red lines, okay? The red lines here, the red lines already indicate the comma. Okay? So no need to write comma. So I'm writing comma because I do not have the necessary lines, right? Okay. Next, advertising expense. Advertising expense 1,800. Supposed to be, it must several pages of the next one because 300 400 not this one, right? So take note, supposed to be not this one, but because this is 400, this is 640. So we need to service revenue. Service revenue is 14,600. 14,600. Right? So then we come back to advertising expense. Advertising expense. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the wrong spelling. You need also to correct your spelling in your, must be very precise and accurate in recording. I'm not really accurate and precise. For example, I have confusion in spelling. So that is the characteristic of an accountant. We must be precise and accurate in numbers and spelling. Next is salaries and wages expense. Salaries and wages expense. Right? How much is this? 1,500. So we are through this. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much is advertising expense? 1,800. So 10. So correct. We have 10, 4 entries of the credit and 6 entries of the credit. So we have 10. So now, we can now take the total on this summation, right? Sum. Right? So please add. Add the credit, 0, 0, 0, so 9 plus 6 is 15. So carry 1. So do not write anything. Do not write the carry. Okay? So 1, 4 plus 4 is 8. And then this is 6. Is it correct? 68. Right? So now we need to write double line. Double underline. Write single line to indicate we are summing up. Either addition or subtraction or multiplication division. Write single line. Double line for the result. Okay? Result. Okay? And then write down at the same exact location, same exact place, the symbol. These are the only places wherein we expect your symbol for monetary unit. Okay? There are no other place that this is required. If you write down on any other place, you will get -1. Okay? You get -1. Okay? Then add all of this, 0, then 0, okay? Then 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 20, so plus 5 is 25. Carry 2. 2 is 5. 6, 7, 8. 8. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Therefore, we can verify that they are equal. Okay, they are equal. So therefore, write down the double underline and at the very exact location, write down this. And therefore, when you are doing this, do not try to invade. Do not try to invade this space. Right? This is wrong. This is again wrong. This is correct. And everything. This one. You will get -1. Why? Because it invades the space for the peso sign. Right? That is the boundary. That is the boundary. If you cannot write down expense here, write down the expense here. Right? For example, you can write it down here, the word expense. And do not do this. Do not do this. This single letter is invading the space provided for the debit. And then, sir, I will write E. Okay. Do not do this. For what? For this E. Do not do this. Write down all the word expense. Right? For example, advertising expense. Advertising, then expense. Do not write advertising expense. Okay? It's wrong. Okay? Total, the whole word. The whole word. Okay? This is wrong. Okay? Wrong. Wrong. Ah, this is correct. No. This is correct. Okay? Any question? So this is how we do the trial balance of a sample company transaction given on the example. Right? Any question? If you don't have a question, try to write down your inquiries on the comment section below. I see you next time. Again, this is Tutor AP, preaching engineering for nation. Okay.